the call and obeyed God's command. He sent you here, we know you're in His hand. Your message from the Word touches our very soul. We've seen your face love you. We appreciate all you do, and God sees.
Ang Ginoo magpanalangin sa inyo ang effort o God bless you.
Jesus Christ, you pray for
3 years from that, 10 years after, I will become a bishop of the church. Because I want to stop my pastoring at the age, God willing, 55 years old. Because I don't want to be ango-ango that time. That's all, and thank you.
bad times, He'll see you through. Pastor, we love you. We appreciate all you do, and God sees the sacrifice.
Happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Healthy, wealthy, and happy. More birthdays to celebrate. Yes.
Pastor, we love you. We appreciate all. For the lost, and God leads them to the cross. And we know one day you'll hear your Father say, "My child, well done. My child, well done. Oh, my child."
Happy birthday ka. Magalo ko nga. Surprise ka. Matagos Ginoo nga siya akong nahinumbana o pasalamat ko sa Ginoo nga naminaw ko sa tampag ni Mang Nori. Dito, kay swerte kayo ko nga nakabana sa